Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Steady Investment once more. My name is Fabian, and we are getting ready to talk about some important information about trading in the Forex market. But let's not even just concentrate on the Forex market for now. The question I have for you all other people is, are you losing money in the market? Whether you are trading stocks, currencies, uh, any type of instrument that is out there. Okay, are you losing money? Or in the last past 12 months, have you lost money? And how much have you lost? Have you lost $500, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000? How about $25,000 or more? If the answer to these questions is yes, then we got some information for you, and we want you to please take time and watch some of our videos on YouTube. If you are losing anywhere from $5,000 or $500 to $25,000, it's a lot of money because you work hard to earn that money. And for you to put it in an investment to lose it is painful. So, if you are one of these people and you are honest with yourself, please take time to go watch some of our videos on YouTube or find us on www.steadyinvestmentclub.com. www.steadyinvestmentsclub.com. When you go to our website, you can find all the information that's on there. And please also look us up on YouTube to watch some of our videos. It's very important. Okay. Now, let's talk about how you lost this money. How did you lose this money? Let's guess. Maybe you tried doing this on your own. You tried to invest the money on your own. Maybe you watched some videos on YouTube and someone, convinced you that you are going to become a successful trader or investor overnight and that you will not need your job in about after a week or 2 or 3 months or 4 months. And you bought into that. How about maybe you had no money or account managing strategies? Okay, you had no money or account managing strategies. And you were just, maybe you were just gambling, but you didn't know that's what you're doing. And I'm serious about this. Maybe you was just gambling, but didn't know it. So let's talk about the first point. You try doing it yourself. In other words, you saw some commercial, you went on YouTube, you heard a lot of people tell you, hey, they're making money, they're day trading, they're swing traders, they invest in the Forex market, and they're making a lot of money, so you decided you wanted to try. So you tried to educate yourself, and you saw some strategies on YouTube, and you decided to put it into practice. Maybe the first 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 times that you took some trades on the Forex market, you made some money and you got excited, but then wind up losing it all because you did not know how to manage your account. So you became a gambler. You felt good when you made the money, but you became a gambler because you didn't know and you did not have managing strategies for you to keep the money that you have just made. Or maybe you got so excited when you started making that money, you started to believe you'll be able to quit your job in a week or in a month. or maybe a year. But instead, you looked in the mirror and you just blew your $1,000, your $5,000, your $10,000, your $25,000 that you thought was going to get you there. Well, don't feel bad. Many people have done it if they will admit it to you. It's real. A lot of people lose money in the market. If you do not know what you are doing, you will continue to lose your hard-earned money. If you have had a try at this and you didn't do well, you really, really do need to find people who know what they're doing to help you get there. If you're doing something and it's not working and you continue to do the same thing over and over and over, it's going to result in the same outcome. The outcome will not change until you change the way you are doing it. Look, let's not kid ourselves. Being able to be successful in the stock market or forex market takes discipline, it takes time, and it is difficult. My partner and I have each spent over 10 to 15 years developing strategies that works. If anybody tells you that they don't have good strategies that they trade with, and they just, woke up one day and decided to get in the stock market and they became a millionaire, they are lying to you. And even the strategies that most people put out on YouTube videos, there are a lot of hidden information that you do not see on these videos. Yes, you can try some of those strategies, it will work. But how about the day that you put that strategy into practice and the market completely fails you? Do you have ways to get out of your mismanagement? Do you know how to control your losses? And most people will tell you either, yeah, well, put stop loss. I never trade with a stop loss. And some people will tell you, man, that's crazy. You know what? The people that use stop loss, I consider them crazy because you end up losing money. Look, the market can only do two things. It can go up or go down or consolidate. And we know for a fact that the market cannot run in one direction forever. Otherwise, everybody will be a fantastic trader or investor. And the market cannot go down continuously without turning around. It will be too predictable. It will not take any hard work for you to know if the market moves in one direction for a long time. All you got to do is just take that side of the trade and you make a lot of money. Unfortunately, the real world is not that easy. So there are two things that can happen in the market. Only two. The market can go up and the market can go down. Sounds easy. Yes, but how many people have put their money into the market, especially the forex market, which is the market that I'm talking about right now, and they will end up losing it all because they do not know what they are doing. Well, you are in luck because as a club member for Steady Investment Club, we do know what we are doing. We spend over 12 to 15 years developing our own strategies. And the strategy is a strategy that will not lose you money. It's a strategy that this will be the last investment you ever put your money into, because you will not get any losses. Now, when I say losses, I mean you are not going to blow account. Because the market fluctuates up and down, sometimes you see your investment value go down, then go back up. Well, our strategy deals with all of these nuances. But at the end of the day, at the end of the year, you are guaranteed to make 25% return on your initial investment every single year as a club member. Guaranteed. Let's talk about lesson number 2, or point number 2. You tried to quit your job because you got so excited and you decided to gamble with your money because you happened to make 1 or 2 wins, and you thought, oh, the market is easy to to play, so let me just take a invest more or take more risk, and you end up blowing all of your hard-earned money because you did not know what you was doing. The market sucked you in. Yes, you heard me right. The market sucked you in. But don't worry, you can make your money back, plus more. Just go on www.steadyinvestmentclub.com and take a look at our website, and also find us on YouTube, Steady Investment Club, and watch some of our videos. Please, it's very important. Watch some of our videos. In a minute, I'm getting ready to show you an account that I started about a week ago. I believe December the 4th, $30,000 account. I'll show it to you briefly. We are not sitting here telling you, oh, if you invest $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, you are going to become a millionaire in a year. That's not going to happen. It takes time. It takes time to build wealth, people. But if you're one of those people who continue to put money in your trading account and you continuously blow your account, people, let us help you get there. You invest $1,000 today. You invest $1,000 today as a club member of Steady Investment Club. You will not have to invest any more money if you do not want to. That money will consistently grow for you. Of course, if you want to become a millionaire, it's not going to happen in a year. It's not going to happen in 2 years or 3 years or 4 years. But as a club member, you will get 25% return on your investment annually. That is guaranteed. I know a lot of you might have questions. You can send us an email. When you go to our website, you can find us there. Send us an email. Any questions you may have about how to become a club member. You find all this information on our website. How to become a club member. You find all of this information on our website. So let me go ahead and pause this video for now and bring in an account that I started earlier on that I mentioned on December the 4th for you to see where the account is. Okay, so as you are looking at my screen right now, I do not know if you see the account. This account was opened on December 4th, 12/4/2019, with amount of $30,000. And if you are looking, you see that this is a real time that you see counting down before the open of the market. Because of our client privacy, we cannot show you people's real account, but every demo that you see here, we have a real account running to its part so that we can show the demo without having to reveal the real account of our club members. So this is a club member that brought in $30,000 on December the 4th. And if you look at where the amount is right now, I'm getting ready to show you. The balance right now is $42,749. And the equity right now, the equity is the money. If we were to close this account, this is how much we will receive from the account, which is right now at $37,679. $37,679. This was done on 12/4/2019, $30,000. And right now, today's date is 12/14/2019. The equity is at $37,679. $37,679. So if I was to go ahead and divide 7,679.80 and divided by the total initial investment, which is 30,000 flat, what percent have we made since December the 4th? Folks, that is 25% return. 25% return since the 4th of this month, December 4th, up to the close of market yesterday. 25%. Do the math on your own. Go ahead and type in your calculator, which is your cell phone. Most people have calculators inside their cell phones. Type in 7,679.80 cents. and divide that by $30,000. Folks, once again, that is 25% return. Our club members are getting this 25% return annually on their money, guaranteed. We guarantee it because we know we can deliver. We guarantee it because we know we can deliver. And this is just to show you sample of proof. Less than 20 days of trading. Will the equity fall back down some? Yes, because the market fluctuates. But by the end of the year, you will receive 25% return as a club member on your investment. I thank you all for listening to this video. Keep coming back and visiting us on www.steadyinvestmentclub.com or check us out on some of our videos on YouTube, a Steady Investment Club, and you'll find us there. Thank you all for spending your afternoon with me. Talk to you all later. Bye.